Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's already 7:10 in the morning and I just finished my bath. Today at 9:30 in the morning, we are going to Elnido na, Palawan. But before that, we just have our breakfast served sa gawas. Probably mga 8 a.m. serving nila. And we are also preparing na. As you can see, medyo dagat ang pusod ng gamit. Okay, hi guys. While waiting for breakfast, here I am in the duyan, and look at the place. Yeah, they have a common room. Actually, it's not a room. May Colombo lang ka, 250 lang daw siya. There's the bar. Oh yeah, love it. I love it. Okay, here is our itinerary. Here is our package that we availed. As you can see, we paid a total of 4,000 pesos back and forth. We're going to the lagoon. I don't know. Nakalimutan ako kung sa itong mga package na sa package eh. Ma-avail na gud niya. Yes guys, solo na mo ang kaning gazebo. The happiest person is the prettiest. And here's our breakfast. 2 waffles. And 2 waffles plus we are waiting for the coffee. Hi Totz, what can you say about our healthy breakfast?
This is perfect.
I know you've been dying for a waffle since we left Davao. Okay guys, we are now ready for our departure. This is the activity now. Witness si ate. We arrived early than we expected. Supposedly 9:30 ang schedule na mo, but they arrived at 9 a.m. which is an advantage. And kudos to 3 days. Siguro inalipod siguro dapat ay we were caught off guard. Wala pa may katutbrush. Ganyan nakatutbrush naman. Yun na. Thank you ate.
We are going out. We are going out.
Friend mo ni Doggy?
Hello.
Shih-Tzu. Gagawin si Shih-Tzu no wala. Stopping by here at Rojas of our lunch. This is actually 100 pesos with rice. Medyo mahal siya but it's fine. But the view is gibawi po. So guys, let's eat. Gutom na. Dormitory. Hello guys, good afternoon. Finally we arrived here sa Elnido. May bibo man diri. Dami mga benta. Napadiri diving. Mahal man kay diri dai. Let's see. Ano yung Dormitels? Ay.
Yes, sila
may booking kami. Under booking whose name is Hiroshi Ruby.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been...
Hello guys, good afternoon. Naami aircon, nalipay yun me as in. Yun. So guys, as you can see, yes, we are already here sa Elnido and we booked at booking.com Dormitels with a cheap booking lang. Siya 900 per night. It's actually okay na siya. Then, as you can see, na namin dito ng CR. Then, na namin aircon. Muna ang pinakakinahanglan. And marami ang amuang bed. Actually, small lang. Ang naman sa room, it's more like we are going outside most of the time. So, what we really need is just a comfortable place to sleep lang. Anyway, very, and hibi pagod me! As in! I'm very, very happy. So, Totz, what can you say about the place?
I was speechless.
And one thing, and one thing is we are very happy kay ang beach front lang gid kay, as in front lang gid mi dito sa beach. Dili tay baklay lang ni gamay. So I'm so tired. I need to take a rest and we will take a rest. Kapoy jud siya as in, but I am very, very happy. Kind. Their stuff here is grabe ayos kayo. Okay lang entertain, tapos more like a dorm type, but actually one of the cleanest place na na among nastayhan. And another is kani sila, other hotels na sila. Dili na shopping. Pwede mi diri higdaanan. Pwede ka diri mag sunbathing. Di lang matagakan og lubi. Ang among lubi kay tura. So yun guys, to tell you about Elnido, first impression is probably as expected, a very beautiful place. And then as expected po, medyo pricey ang mga kita na mo kanina, naghan mo medyo pricey tanan, restaurants, tanan, gamit. I'm not sure kung tanan ba jud. I'm not sure kung sa bayan nga na baghapon. Yeah, probably gabi ay mga sa bayan. And karon is mag-atumi dito sa beach banda. So far, impression, nakita na naman itong mga dagko na rocks ang butong sa titawag ana niya. Berg mga monoliths. Muna ang atuon karon. Ito pictuantik na. It's probably lahit po na siya mga hotels diri. Wow. Walay dagat. Anyway, isa ba na? Sa tawag ni? And we have a visitor. Hi friend. 1, 2, 3. Okay, currently naanami sa bayan. Guys, yes, we are at the center of Elnido. Naami sa ilang munisipyo and we are going to the tourism office. We got what we need, a map. Probably explore namin ni mamaya. And Elnido Art Cafe. Yes, we finally get back to our room. Kailan since pamasahe, it's 50 pesos. After that, nag-ask me actually 10 pesos na din pamasahe from here to Bayan. I think this is that's all for today. To sum up, our travel, our adventure for today is from Puerto Princesa. We woke up early, we stayed at Bamboo Hostel and Tours. Tapos, B&B Travel and Tours pick us up to drive 5 hours and more going to Elnido. Totz is very tired.